So this is I've never done a suede ball cap. This is suede ball cap that I got on Amazon. I have it on this little orb from the Dollar Tree because I didn't have anything else to use. And I thought, well, I'm going to have to draw on it. So I might as well use this because I need something kind of hard so that I can draw. I'm going to be using, I think I'm going to be using one of these mechanical pencils. Now, if it continues to break on me like it did when I was doing these, these are my my doodle templates. I doodle. I don't know if you do doodling. If you do doodling, then you can do this. What I ended up doing is kind of taking this and putting it in the middle of the ball cap to find the middle. That's key. You want to kind of find the middle like that to start. And so once you have the middle and you start, you go both ways. It's exactly the same. You make it symmetrical, right? All right, so this little hat needs a little dragonfly. Wish I could keep it from moving around, but I cannot. So I'm going to bring it up like this so that I can press down a little bit on it. My dragonfly. I'm going to use this as my guide, okay? Because I've already drawn one and I kind of like it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw 3 little circles here. 1. This one's going to be a little bit bigger. 2. 3. Simple, simple, simple. 3 little circles, like little ovals. It looks like a snowman. I don't know if you can see that. Yes, you can. Okay, so there's the 3 circles. Basically, that's all it is. Looks like kind of a fat dragonfly, but hey, she's there, right? All right, so there's our little dragonfly. We're gonna make her tail a little longer because we can. So then you can go in later with your heat tool, which I got heating up over here. This is a wood burning tool that we're gonna be using to burn this hat with today. Got to be real careful. I got it sitting over here on one of my silicone mats. We're going to flip this over and we're going to draw the sunflower. Like I said, you want to start with that center line right there after you've doodled it. Anybody seeing a sunflower take shape yet? Okay, and in between a few of these in the front, I'm going to do, well, actually in between all of them. I can do it in between all of them. I'm going to make one more little petal coming out from this, okay? And it's going to be okay, I got this all the way to the end of the brim here now. And I was going to do some little dots and stuff. I may. But we've got the bones done, guys. We got the bones done. So there's that. That part we've got done. This is heated. This is a heated wood burning tool. I've got it on my little pointy, you can take this end off, not now, but if you need to during your wood burning process, you can do that very, very easily with a long nose plier. You can just, take it off very. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here and I'm going to do a little test, like maybe on the tail. I touch it. Oh yeah, it's burning. Burn, baby, burn. Okay, and I'm going to go over those lines, just tracing what I did. Isn't that pretty? Love that. So this is going to be pretty easy peasy, I think. All right, I'm going to go in. On your hat. How cute. And it's cute just like this, but we're not going to stop there. No. This part is simple Simon, because all we're going to be doing is going over what we just already did, right? The 3 center markings. All they are is 3 sets of parentheses. That's what they are, 3 sets of parentheses. once you get all the wood burning part done, like that, okay? We picked You Are My Sunshine for the underside, right? So we're gonna take this little ball and take it over here. Now I wanna show you how you can do this near perfect, okay? You're gonna take a piece of paper, cardstock, whatever you have handy, and you're gonna lay it underneath the brim of the hat. And this side is, so you guys chose You Are My Sunshine. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna lay it down like this, okay? You're gonna take your pencil, you're gonna flip it over like this, take your pencil, hold it underneath, hold it like tight to the hat. You're gonna do half at a time. You're gonna just go like this and trace out a line here, and go over here and trace out a line like this, so that what you have is the shape of the brim of your hat, because that's how you're gonna write it. You're gonna write it in a U shape. It's not gonna be straight across, okay? So that's easy. So once you have the shape of it, then you practice your writing. There's that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna freehand, scary, in my fancy writing, I'm gonna kind of put it here so I can kind of gauge a little bit. I'm gonna go as far as I can off to the side. So I'm gonna go over just a little bit, give myself some room. You. See, you can read them. Read them and weep. You are my sunshine, right? Now that we have all of the fun stuff, we're gonna do some even more fun. We're gonna take our Totally Dazzled piece here, this one right here, my favorite one, and we're gonna put it where a sunflower would typically have, it would have the center of the sunflower. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some B7000 around the petals, and then I'm gonna put a little hot glue in the center. So we're gonna do that to the center. And in addition to that, we're gonna be adding some bling going up the sides. But I kind of like, and I don't know why, I kind of like these little things of wheat. There's something about them. Maybe some of these, yeah. I'm gonna add some bling around the edge, and I also have some of this I want to put along the, maybe right underneath, yeah, right here at the edge of the hat. I think that'd be pretty. I'm gonna snip it off with my little wire pliers. Cute already, right? It's getting better by the minute. All right, so right where I got these dots, some of these dots, I'm gonna go in and we're gonna add, I don't know if I want that orange. I kind of like this amber better. The more I'm looking at it, the more I'm thinking I'm gonna go with this color here. That's cute. Just a little something something at the end, a little extra sparkle. And I think, here's just my opinion, I think that dragonfly could be prettier as well. And right underneath where I started, those first 3 little leaves, petals, whatever they are, right up next to the center of the sunflower. Thinking about outlining the dragonfly wings, and just a little bit of what colors do we have? It would be, oh, I see them. I see it. This color is so dragonfly-esque, you're not even gonna believe it. And it's gonna make this hat look so pretty. Orange, it's called orange shimmer, but it doesn't look orange. It looks blue, purple, and it's got orange in it. So let's go on in here. I don't wanna get his little foot or her little foot. Oh, I love it. And you know what? You know me, I may go out around the whole thing, tail and all, and just bling it out. I might do that in the end. But isn't that sweet, you guys? Look at how cute that turned out, right? You guys gonna try it?
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free printable sparkle quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.